Let's go Blue Jays! 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 Let's go Blue Jays!
Come.
Let's go Blue Jays!
Much love. Where you from, brother?
Let's go Dodgers!
No! No! Are you visiting from LA? Are you visiting from LA? Look, you're from LA? Open challenge. We want the LA fans in LA to show up in games 3 and 4. Show up like we did today. Show up. Hold this. Show up better than we did with higher excitement. Can you do that?
You'd be surprised.
So is it a challenge? Are you challenging? Are you accepting the challenge?
I'll see you at the game.
Too much. We're here to support the fans outside. Now we want the LA faithful games 3 and 4 to support their Dodgers as much as they want, while also showing what else is true to them, what else they love, what else is important to them. We want the Dodgers people to come out, and we're going to be better than them.
I wish you luck.
Let's go.
Okay guys, now that we've let's go Blue Jays! 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 You guys want to? Let's go Blue Jays! Let's go Blue Jays!
I want to be a thing.
Let's go Blue Jays! 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 Guys, your game has officially begun. Your game has started.